Heyo! Today I'll be showing you how I did my makeup for Springtrap from Five Nights at Freddy's. First up, I'll be drawing the general shapes of the face with black face paint. Next, I'll fill in the general areas with the base colors. By the way, all the face paint that I'm using is from a brand called Ruby Red. An important note when painting your face. If you're wearing contacts, leave a clear area under your eyes. Putting on contacts after makeup can trap makeup under your contacts. So always put contacts on before your makeup or leave a clean area under your eyes until you put the contacts in. Now that the base colors are done, I'm starting the base shading to create shadows and gradient colors. This makeup I'm using is called grease paint. It smears a lot, which makes it great for gradient textures. I found using a makeup sponge works best for this kind of makeup. The brand I'm using is called Ben Nye Grease Paint. After that, I'll be fine-tuning the shadows and colors using eyeshadow. I don't actually know what brand this palette is. I think it's e.l.f. I got it from Urban Outfitters ages ago though. It's almost impossible finding eyeshadow that doesn't have shimmer in it. I don't really like shimmer. This eyeshadow palette I'm now using is called Take Me Back to Brazil. I got it from a place called Riley Rose. I'll be using its red hues to try to add a rusting color around the eyes and the cheekbones. I'll now start adding the wires that stick out from Springtrap's face. I could have gone with prosthetics and real wires for this, but it wouldn't be very comfortable and it could fall off when I'm making a lot of expressions. To give the illusion that the wires are actually sticking out, I'm drawing fake shadows under the wires using gray grease paint. On top of this, I'll be adding extra gradient shadows with eyeshadow to give it more pop. Now that all the shadows and colors are set, it's time to go back and retrace all the detail lines with black face paint. This will give a more defining edge to the separate elements in the face. Other details like grunge and tear marks can also be added at this point. It's now time to fill in the rest of the space with black face paint and clean up any smudges outside of your line work. I'm using flared Darth Maul Sith Scalera lenses from Psych.com for this look. It has a very textured center which blends in well with your iris underneath. Psst! Use code MILCREATES for 10% off your next purchase. Thanks! Uh-oh! With the contacts finally in, it's time to fill out the area underneath the eyes. It's best to use makeup like eyeliner, eye cream, or eyeshadow instead of face paint near the eyes. Once the makeup's done, the wig can be put on and we're done! Thank you for sticking through the tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. I wish you good luck and a basket full of
exotic butters
in your cosplay endeavors. If you enjoyed my tutorial, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye!